Hello my people, welcome to my channel. I want to show you guys this strategy you can use on B1000, B500 and make good money. I'm not joking here, right? I'll show you how you when to sell. I'm just hoping. Oh my god. Okay, so I was about showing you guys how to catch spike with this strategy. You can see it just spiked at that very point, at this very level here. It spiked at this very level here. That's the strategy, guys. I was about to open a position right there and show you guys. Though I was expecting it to move to this point, this very level here, before shorting it at this level, before selling it here and catch that spike. But it's all good. Let's check B1000 if there's any. Okay, B1000 is approaching. Once it gets to this point, gets to the level 10, I'll be buying from level 10, right, all the way up. So this strategy, I dropped this strategy earlier on how to how to scalp some days ago, a few days ago, how to scalp. If you love scalping boom and crash, just check my my playlist, boom and crash playlist. You get all my strategy. So the last video just uploaded here on this channel, I did it was about scalping, right? So if you love scalping boom and crash, just check the strategy on how to scalp boom and crash. So today I'm talking about how to catch spikes on boom and crash. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys the settings and how to make money with this strategy. So before we go on, I'll advise you guys to like this video, right? Subscribe to this channel, join our free Telegram channel for updates, for strategies, for signals, so that whatever I do there, you get be the first to see, to know what is happening, okay? And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop a strategy, you're gonna be informed, okay? So this strategy, like I said, you use it to catch spikes, all right? So let's check, since we can, there's no setup here, let's see. B500, okay. B500 looks like. Okay, now, let me tell you guys, once you see, boom, start doing this stuff, start giving you short spikes, like what you have here. These short spikes, start giving you short spikes, just know that it's not a good one. Start giving you short spikes like this. Stay away from that kind of trade. Even if it looks like it's gonna spike, stay away. So at this point, I cannot I cannot buy, because it has gotten to this point where I believe it's gonna spike. But because I've seen these short spikes, once it start giving you short spikes like this one and this one, this is a very bad sign. So by the time you start seeing short spikes, please stay away. Let me show you so that it will not look like I'm just okay. Look at this. Once you start giving you short spikes, you can see it here, short spikes. It's hard for it to start spiking. You can see it's hardly before it gives you good spike, one big long spike, right? So it's not a good sign. This is a very bad sign. It will spike, it will keep going down for a longer time. You see, when you have short spikes. So I want you guys to know that, because this is something I've studied this thing for a very long time. And I know what I'm saying. When you start seeing short spikes like this, stay away, run away from this, because it's a trap. It will trap you. So that's it, guys. Oh, it has spiked at that point, but it's still short spikes on this baby spike. So this is not the kind of spikes I want. I love those long spikes, right? So okay, let's check crash 500. Crash 500 is not here. Let me add crash 500. Crash 500. Okay. All right, crash 500 is still far from where it's gonna spike from. I'll allow it to get to level 90 for me to sell at level 90, so that between level 90 and 95 it's gonna spike. All right, so yeah, so this strategy is to catch spikes, right? I would love to catch spikes so that you guys will witness and see how it's done, right? The accuracy of this strategy. You can see I waited for B500 to catch spikes. It just spiked, but it's a very short spike. And the same thing on Crash 1000, and it's just spiked at that point. So this strategy is amazing, guys. It's very, very amazing. Like, it's amazing. Like, I love this strategy. Okay, I love using this strategy to catch spikes on boom and crash. So the time frame you're gonna stay will be on the stay on the higher time frame. Sorry, on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, stay on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, to catch the spikes. But before catching the spikes, you need to move to 30 minutes time frame first. Okay, so when you're moving to the 30 minutes time frame, what you're looking for is where market is likely going to spike from. Now look at this place here. If I go back like this to the left, you realize that place I just placed that line, market has been spiking around that zone. You can see here there was a spike around this zone, right? Market has been reversing around that zone. If you go back again, you can see this market reversed around this zone, right? So market reversed here around this zone, right? So again here, market reversed around this zone. So this is an important zone on this chart. So that's my point of interest. Whenever market gets to that point, again, I know that it's gonna spike. Do you understand? So now you're looking for those places that market has been reversing over time repeatedly, and put this line there, like this one here. You can see market reversed here before. That's why I'm placing that line there. If you go back, you see that market has been reversing around that zone, right? Market has been reversing around that zone. Okay, you can see here, market has been reversing around that zone. So that's how you know that, okay, when market gets to that point again, in the future, it's likely gonna spike around that level. So you're looking for those places. Once you put your horizontal lines there, you wait for markets to get to that point. Like this place, market reversed here, reversed here, reversed here, reversed here. If you go back, you see that market has been reversing around that zone. And if market gets to that zone again, it's gonna reverse. Right? So now you're waiting for market to get to either of these lines, these zones. When market get to that zone, that's the next thing you will do will be you switch to 1 minute. You see, once market touches that zone, it will spike. The spike is gonna drop. It's gonna be very long, and it will keep spiking because that is a key zone on your chart. Do you understand? So once market approaches that level, you're coming down here to see if markets get to either of these zones, especially at the level 90 for crash, then level 10 for boom. So if market gets to level 90 for crash, you open a position at that point. And as you're opening a position, you must confirm that here on the main chart that you have market on this zone, around that zone, right? Then you have the same confirmation on your indicator window 1 that your RSI has gotten to the oversold zones. And what you do next will be you sell it at that point. Then for boom, you wait for markets to get to this level here. You look for on the 30 minutes time frame, as market has been reversing, did market reverse around that level or spike around that level? So let's put this stuff here. Let's put this stuff right here, and let's go back and check if market spiked around that level before. We didn't even have market around there for a long time. Okay, it has spiked around that level. Market spiked around this level before. So now let's see again. Let's go back. This is 30 minutes. Let's go back. Hello guys, I know this thing looks very hard, but trust me, if you keep on practicing like this, in just 3 days you understand what I'm saying. So you see market has been reversing around this zone, let's say around this level here. Market has been reversing around this level. So this is a very a crucial and important level on our chart. When market gets to that point, if it doesn't spike there, it's gonna spike somewhere here. Okay, so now I'm waiting for market to get to either of that zones, any of these zones. All right, so now if we switch to 1 minute time frame, right now we cannot see that place. Okay, that's it, that's the red line there. So now on the 1 minute time frame, I'm waiting for market to touch that line. When it touches the line, you can see we have a confirmation here on the indicator window one that it has gotten to oversold level. So now another confirmation I'm waiting for, so that I don't start buying at this point and it will not spike. It might spike at this level here, but I don't want a situation I don't start buying. I start buying here, it doesn't spike, but we can still buy it at this level. Why? Let me see if that level is still far from us. Looks like it's still far. We have the line. Okay, I think it's still far. We have the line is still far somehow. It might take us like 10 minutes before getting to that point. So we can go ahead and buy at that point with small lot size, right? Because it has touched this line. But I think the right thing is just to wait for market to get to that point. But I'm not sure I'll have enough time to I don't have enough time to stay till video gets to that point. Okay, till this market gets to that point. That's why I wanted to open the position so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. So but I would love to wait till markets get to that place, though it might spike. But the best thing is for us to wait for market to touch that line, because that's where it has been spiking before. Once it touches the line, it's likely gonna spike, right? Okay, it's somehow closer to the line. It's approaching the line. Let's say the next 6-8 minutes gonna hit that line, right? Then at that same time, markets might be up to that line too. Here I touched this oversold level on the 20 level 20. That will be a good confirmation. That will be a very good confirmation, and we buy at that point. Right, so yeah, so the settings for how to, like I said, you must wait for markets to get to the oversold level, which is level 10, or the overbought level, which is level 90. All right, so once this RSI, this black indicator here on the indicator window one, touches this level here, and you confirm on your main chart that the line you place on your main chart is at the same time, like market touched the level, like here, we place the line there on the main chart, a red line. So once market touches that line, and I confirm here that it has touched this oversold level, which is the red indicator has touched the oversold level here, right? So now I'm waiting for markets to touch the red line. Once that market touches the red line, I know that that's a very delicate, very strong zone, very important zone, right? I'll open a position. If it doesn't spike in the next 5 minutes, it will definitely spike before 10 minutes time, right? And once the spike comes, it will be very, very long, because that's a very strong zone. That's an area where market reverse repeatedly, right? So that's how to trade this strategy. For boom, you wait for market to get to the oversold level, which is 10. Then for crash, you wait for market to get to level 90, which is the overbought level. Once you get to that point, it will be looking to sell and to crash. And you're not the only person that is saying this stuff. Other people are saying this stuff. So a lot of people will rush and buy and sell within that zone, and it will spike, right? So that's how to trade this strategy, right? A little bit of price action, which is the horizontal lines, and confirmation with your indicators, right? Then the settings, the settings for this strategy, we have moving average one and the second moving average, right? This is the first moving average, which is level period is 10 on the main chart. Why am I bringing this one? That's because you can equally use this strategy to scalp and catch spikes. So I'll tell you how to scalp with this strategy, right? So the period is 10, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, applied to weighted close. The color, you can choose any color. I'm using blue for period 10. I'm using blue. Then you click on done. You go back again to add the second MA, and the level is 6, period is 6, sorry, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, applied to weighted close. Levels here, we have no levels. The color I'm using red, you can use red or any color at all. Click on done, right? Then you go back to your indicator, you add the first indicator window, which is RSI. The first indicator you add will be RSI. You add the RSI. After the RSI, adding the RSI, click on the RSI, sorry. The next thing you're going to do will be period is 14, apply to low. Levels here 90, we have level 90, we have level 10, right? We have level 10, 80, and 20, right? Time frame, all the time frames. You choose color. I'm using black. You can use any color. You click on done. Whoa, just spiked. Whoa, just spiked. So you see this stuff, right? Oh. Wow. Let me see the line. Just almost at that line. Look at that. Just almost at that line. So you see what I'm saying here? You see what I'm saying here? You put that line, see the red line, this red line here. Market was just at that line. It was just few levels to that line, few points to that line, and it has spiked, right? Now, look at this spike. Look at this spike. Very massive spike. Very long spike. Look at that spike. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. You do this and you make money. This strategy is amazing. Like, it's up to 95% or above as accuracy, right? So you guys need to do this stuff. You need to just practice what I'm saying. Put those lines there and wait for market to get to oversold or overbought level, and you make your decision, right? The same thing when you're trying to scalp with this strategy. If market gets to the overbought for boom of overbought level, which is the level 80, if you want to scalp level 80 for boom, wait for market, the RSI to get to that point. Yeah, when RSI touches that line, look at this. RSI touches this line. You're waiting for, see, RSI, the black indicator here, touches this line, and the MACD touch the line as well. You wait for your MA here to cross, the red MA to cross the blue down. Then you're selling. Immediately it crosses, sorry. Immediately it crosses, you're selling from there. You're selling from there, right? You're selling from that point. So that's how to catch to scalp with this strategy, right? So let me quickly show you guys the last setting, which is the MACD. The fast EMA is 22. The slow EMA is 26. The slow EMA is 26. The MACD SMA is 9. Applied to close. Levels are no levels there. This the color is red, right? You click on done, right? So now on crash, the same thing. With market get to, if this RSI here, the black indicator on the indicator window one touches the oversold level at 20, level 20, okay, level 20, and you see here market started moving. The MA on the main chart started crossing each other. You're buying from there. You're buying from that point. So that's how to, like here, like this level here. You can see we have the RSI at level 80, and market cross. There's a cross here between the two MA on the main chart. You're buying from there, right? So that's how to catch spikes and scalp this strategy. Well, look at that spike, long spike, Remember what I told you? Once it touches that level and you have on the main chart, you have your line there, that's a good entry there. You buy and it's gonna spike, and the spike is gonna be very, very long. With one lot size, this spike is supposed to give us like 22 dollars. This spike is supposed to give us like $22 with just one lot size. So that's how to catch spikes with boom and crash using this strategy, guys. Yeah. So if you're new, subscribe, chat me up, check the description area to chat me up. Okay, join the Telegram channel, guys. A lot of giveaways coming. I'm partnering with a company that's gonna give me giveaway, right? A free Profem accounts for my followers. So if you want to benefit from that, kindly join the Telegram channel. It's coming very soon, guys. And free classes and all. Join the Telegram channel, guys. Love you. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.